How do bees make honey? The production of honey is a multi-step process. As you can imagine, let's follow the honeybees step by step as they make this precious food for their colony. When the worker bee has found a good source of nectar, she gets to work. Using her proboscis, she sucks up nectar from inside of flowers, often visiting more than 100 flowers on one foraging trip. The nectar, along with a little bit of honeybee saliva, is stored in her honey stomach. Yeah, bees have two stomachs. One stomach for eating and the other one special stomach is for storing nectar collected from flowers. Once the honey stomach is full, the worker bee will return to the hive to drop off the load. On the way back to the hive, digestive enzymes are already working to turn that nectar into sweet cold honey in honey's stomach. But this is just the beginning of the process. When she returns to the hive, the forager bee will vomit the nectar into mouth of another bee called house bee. And that bee will vomit it into another bee's mouth, and so on. This game of regurgitation is an important part of the honey making process. Since each bee adds more digestive enzymes to turn long chains of complex sugars in the raw nectar into simple monosaccharides like fructose and glucose. And then the bees dehydrate the honey. Some water is removed from the honey while it is passed from bee to bee, but bees use two other methods for drying out the honey. For one, they will spray the honey over the honeycomb. This process increases the surface area and allows for more water evaporation. Bees will also fan their wings near the honey to increase air flow and evaporate even more liquid. The final step in honey making process is storage. The honey is deposited into the cells of the honeycomb, where it will stay until the bees are ready to eat it. To keep the honey fresh, each cell is kept with beeswax. So now you know that honey comes from bees collecting nectar, producing it in honeycomb cells, and drying it to make the honey.